Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch strap on your Timex Expedition watch. This is going to work for other Timex watches and also for other brands as well. We are going to interchange this original strap that the Timex came with, and we are going to place the watch on this NATO green, army green strap that was sent to us by Blue Shark. I reached out because they make some very interesting and cool high quality straps, NATO straps. So in case you are interested in buying this strap or any of the tools that I use today, make sure to check the link in the description box below. I'm also going to show you a few variations that you can find when it comes to watches. So you can either have drilled lugs, as this model has right here, or no drilled lugs, as you can see our Timex Expedition. For example, on this one we will be able to push the pin through this hole, and then there is also going to be the instance where we have a quick release strap. As you can see right here, this Timex Marlin comes on this leather strap where we can actually remove the strap very easily because it has this quick release system. But as you can see, we do not have any metallic pin right here left because we cannot take this out, and you are going to need these spring bars, a box of extra spring bars, in order to put in a new spring bar right here in order to place the watch on a NATO strap. In case you are new to watches, I would definitely recommend to go and grab yourself one of these. This is going to be the basic watchmaker toolkit where you have all the tools that you need in order to start working on your watches. You'll be able to replace watch batteries, to replace watch straps, to open the watches, to adjust the metallic bracelets. I have a full guide and tutorial on how to use all these tools, so I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. In case you only want to buy this single spring bar removal tool, you can do so. Some of the brands that send you straps can actually include these, so this is going to be maybe the most common tool out there. And also, once again, make sure to order a box of spring bars because you are going to need them when it comes to this type of watches right here. So I'm going to show you this model first. So we are going to take these extra pins, put one on this side, so make sure that the pin is in one hole. We are going to hold it with our non-dominant hand, and then using the right hand in my case, I'm going to grab this other tip of the pin, and I'm going to push it inwards until it arrives in between the lugs, and then you need to gently move it, as you see, towards the other hole, and you are going to feel or hear a small snap, and that means that the pin, the spring bar, is in place. Now we're going to do the same principle on the other side as well. Let's do this here. Make sure to take your time. Also try to work on the back side of the watch, because in case you are going to scratch your watch, you are going to scratch it on the back of the watch. So we have it right here, and I'm going to take the NATO strap that I have, also from Blue Shark. I really like the quality on these straps, and also they have very vivid colors. And then you are going to put the first part of the long piece through the lugs, and then we are going to take this part through the loop. And this is how it would look on the NATO strap. Now I'm going to show you the second type as well, when we have the drill lugs right here. As you can see, this time we are going to use this part of the spring bar tool in order to apply some pressure right here, and it is going to come off very easily. You can do this on the other side as well. If you want to place this watch on a NATO strap, you will be able to use these spring bars, so you can push them out, and then when you want to put the strap back in, once again I'm going to operate on the back of the watch just like this. I'm going to use this end, and I'm going to gently press it inward. You're going to hear a small click, and voila, we are done. Now we are going to start with the Timex as well. I just wanted to show you all the possible cases that you can find, because I'm pretty sure many of you will have different types of watches. So now what I'm going to do is to take this part of the spring bar, and I'm going to try to get in between the lug and the strap until I reach the metallic pin, and I want to push it towards myself or downwards depending on your position, and the strap is going to come off. In this instance we are going to be able to use the exact spring bars that the watch came with, and I'm going to do this on the other side as well. Just like this. Now I'm going to remove the pins and I'm going to set aside the strap that it came with. Now before putting the NATO strap, we are going to first put in the spring bars. Just as I mentioned, the same principle applies. Make sure to take your time, do not rush. Also make sure to position the pins accordingly. Make sure that they went in both of the holes drilled inside the lugs. And now we are going to do this on the other side as well. Just like that. And now I'm going to take the NATO strap and I'm going to place it once again with the long part. Make sure to be outside the loop right here. We are going to start at 12 o'clock, place the first part, go all the way, so very near to this metallic loop. I also have a full tutorial on how to wear these NATO straps. There are a few methods that might surprise you so that you get rid of the loop that forms on the 12 o'clock. As you can see right here, when you are going to go through, you are going to make a loop right here and it is going to be very bulky. And we can actually get rid of this and position it on the other part of your wrist, so on the other side, and that is going to look less bulkier and better. Now this is how you replace the strap when it comes to having, let's say, the leather strap or the original strap that it came with, so the two-piece. And now I'm going to show you how to put it back. So I'm going to remove the NATO strap, and now we are going to do the other process around, because I'm pretty sure some of you might have it already on the NATO strap. So now I'm going to take my pin remover. I'm going to take the pin out just like that. Make sure to take your time because these can easily jump around, and you are going to lose them in case they jump across the room. So make sure to take your time and also try to hold them while you work on them. Now we are going to put the spring bars inside these holes of the strap. 1 and 2. Now when it comes to positioning the strap, we are going to go with the part that has the buckle at 12 o'clock. Make sure to have it with the buckle this way facing your towards you, so not the other way around, because if you have it backwards you won't be able to correctly position your watch on the wrist. So we are going to take it like this. Once again, I'm going to work on the back of the watch. So we are going to position the spring bar inside the first hole. Then I'm going to put it on this side, and now I'm going to hold it with my left hand while I use the spring bar in my right hand. You can simply move it a little, very gently, until you hear the click. You can look before that to see where you have the hole so that you know where you should go. Some have the hole closer to the tip, some in the middle, so you need to know where the hole of the spring bar is positioned. Now we're going to take the other side as well. Here you can look at the stitching. This would be on the back. And now I'm going to do the same principle on this side as well. Just like that. Take the tool, push it inwards. Now I'm going to move it around a little until I hear that click. And now you can see that I have also done the process the other way around. So once again, guys, you can apply this tutorial for most watches. I'm also going to make a tutorial when it comes to bracelets. So for watches that have the metallic straps of the bracelets, and those can be a little bit more tricky, a little bit harder to put on or to remove. Some also have some removable pieces that cover this hole right here when it comes to the lugs. So I'm going to show that as well, link in the description box below. Once again, you can have the watch with the quick release system as the Timex had, just like this, also with the drill lugs as the Seiko 5 SRPG has, and with the regular ones and the regular strap as the Timex Expedition. Once again, guys, make sure to grab the basic watchmaker toolkit, the spring bars, maybe at least the spring bar removal tool. And also, I would definitely advise you guys to check out these straps because they work wonders and they really feel high quality when it comes to the comparison between these and the basic, let's say, regular cheap Chinese pieces that you find around. So make sure to check them out, guys. Link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. If this tutorial was helpful, please share your experience in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoy vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Once again, guys, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.